All right, so we got something in the shop today. It finally got delivered. We've been waiting for it for a little while here, and it's something that I really like to have in my area when I'm working here to alleviate the floor space. Because you guys know you'll take up all the stands holding all the parts while you're waiting on them to be painted. So you want to alleviate some of the room you have, and this is definitely a good thing from Innovative Tools. And you guys know I'm a big fan of their carts, tools, and all their stands that hold all the parts, because you can paint them on both sides. So we're going to go ahead and build it, and I'll show it to you guys in its spot and how it's to be used. All right, so this is it built, and this is one of my favorite stands for the work area to definitely keep it cleaned up. So you guys seen we had this whole area here filled with stands for parts that were just waiting to be prepped out. So this one here can definitely keep the shop organized when you have to keep stuff away from your work area. And this is the one I like here from Innovative Tools. It's their panel cart. And you guys know we use all Innovative Tools for our painting stands. You guys know we have the one for all the supplies and stuff like that too. So we also have the one for the wall for the bumpers. And this one here will be the best thing we could do to add to this nice setup that we have to keep stuff out of the way. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how it works. And it's also nice because it could be put away into a corner and folds up to a small, you know, shape here. So I like that too. But you just pull your pins on it. And then this here you have for your panels to hold them up and keep them straight. So you can adjust it for each size panel, whatever you got. And now you just put it where you want it. And it's got locking wheel casters on it, so you can keep it where you want it. When you're sliding in your part, it's not going to move, and you'll be able to get your part in there better. So go ahead and lock your casters on it. So now instead of having this taking up all your work area, you got a nice section over there that you can put everything in, and we're going to go ahead and throw the tailgate in it now. All right, so you see it sitting in there now, out of the way, and it also has rubber along the bottom so it won't scratch any of the parts when you put them in there. So definitely one of my favorite things that Innovative Tool makes, and you guys know they make a really nice variety of stuff for the auto body field. I'm going to take you over now. We got some more stands coming, and we just got to build them. So you guys see we use all the Innovative for our regular painting stuff, and we've got quite a few different varieties of them. The bumper stands, the door stands, the hood stands, the ones that flip back. And now we went ahead and picked up some of the single-sided fender door stands, because you guys, I got this old school rack here. I know plenty of you guys seen these through the years, but they got the single-sided stands here right there. And that's the ones we got. We got 4 of them coming. So we're gonna get them built and we'll be able to do some more painting, because you guys see we're filling up the stands quick. We're painting as much as we can. So let me just show you one other one they make. And we also have the truck bed dolly from Innovative Tools. So this is definitely a nice one. It's sturdy, it's well made, and it's got the hard wheels with the tubeless tires in them, so they won't go flat and it'll last a long time. So we definitely like their products and they work well. So just something else we have. And then here's the other one for the body man. This is a nice cart to have that they make also. And this is good for your tear downs. You guys can put, you know, stuff you need up top, and then stuff you're saving that you're going to reuse on the bottom, and you guys can you know, go through that with the estimator. That way, if you're not at the car, they know what to write and what not to write, and it's definitely a nice setup to have. So we use them for pretty much everything through the shop, and they make a quality product by far to me. So let's go check it out one more time, and you guys will see now how clean and nice the place looks with these old school stands out of the way. So you'll still use the stands, the old ones, but only when you're working. Let's get him out of the way. We don't want to see him laying around here anymore. But look at how nice it is. Everything organized and clean, and you only bring up what you're going to actually work on. So you keep your floor space for working, and instead of being all clustered up inside the area, you can keep it clean. So I hope you guys like this one, and just a little something new we picked up. And I had these before, and I was looking forward to seeing one come to this shop. So we'll see you guys on the next one.